Fox News Alert. This news is just breaking right now. The lead attorney for Hunter Biden, gentleman by the name of Christopher Clark, apparently asking the judge for permission to get off the case. Remember, there's a noon deadline where the judge wants an answer as to what Biden's team will do next. David Spunt, following all that, tells us what it means now from the Department of Justice. David, hello.
Bill, Dana, hello. This is significant news in the sense that Chris Clark, not only the lead attorney on this case, but a close confidant of Hunter Biden for several years. He has represented Hunter Biden before he asked to be removed to federal judge Mary Ellen Noreika. He is trying to get off this case. He was the lead architect of this plea deal with the Department of Justice, and it fell through in public in the courtroom on July 26th. Abby Lowell, a Washington powerhouse attorney here in the District of Columbia, is now representing Biden in this case. Lowell has also worked with Biden before. Lowell is on the right side of your screen. That's Mr. Clark on the left side of the screen with the glasses. Now, Hunter's team is well aware of the two tax violations that were supposed to be part of the plea deal but are no longer and may go to trial. However, Abby Lowell insists that a diversion agreement to avoid jail time for a gun charge is already signed by the government and Hunter and is valid. In their filing, they wrote the defendant intends to abide by the terms of the diversion agreement that was executed at the July 26 hearing by the defendant, his counsel, and the United States. The parties have a valid and binding bilateral diversion agreement. But we'll see what Judge Noreika says. And she had some big problems, Bill and Dana, with this diversion agreement inside the courtroom in Wilmington, Delaware. Now, David Weiss is the now special counsel investigating this case. He just sat in a courtroom not only a few feet away from Hunter Biden a few weeks ago and was prepared to enter into this plea deal. The case will move toward trial, according to the United States, likely in Washington, D.C. or California or both. That filing from Hunter Biden's team came out on Sunday, and Judge Noreika is giving the government until noon today to give us some kind of roadmap to see where they want to move forward. We know the plea deal's dead, but what do they have to say? We'll see here in a few hours. Back to you.
Thank you, David Spunt, with that breaking news from DOJ. Thank you.
Really interesting. For more on this, Bret Baier, special report anchor. I was just thinking, since that Chris had been his lawyer for so long and is confident, but the situation has changed dramatically for the Biden team, and bringing on Abby Lowell officially to take on this case, I think it would probably make sense that if Chris had been the one that was negotiating with the Justice Department for the plea deal, that it probably makes sense for him to not be the person who is going to try to clean up the mess on the other side.
Right. Good morning, Bill and Dana. I think, according to Delaware statute, he can't be the lawyer for Hunter Biden anymore because he's a potential witness here in how that plea deal was structured and how it was negotiated. So by lending himself to being a potential witness by Delaware statute, he can no longer be the lawyer. The crazy part about this whole thing is that plea deal unravels in court. Why? Because a judge digs in and says, wait a second, what is this? And essentially buried in the language is a broad immunity deal that they had structured, that essentially he would not face anything else. And she went down that road and figured it out, and then it all came apart. I think how that plea deal was negotiated and what exactly went into it is now going to be a part of, proceedings going forward.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.